God.
No, I stole it! I stole it! You go, please, you go.
Hey, keep your hands right here.
That is it. That was it.
It's only 11 tracks. They
It's
removed
only
some of the
11.
tracks.
It's only 11 tracks.
Okay, we're going back. That's it.
We are at the most infamous railroad track that Austin's been talking about, and he's not getting out of the van.
We drove half an hour.
So we're going to defy death and take a picture on the tracks. Don't, no, the cop's going to come. Hun, stop it.
Bryce, get down, do some push-ups. I've been kidnapped. Yeah, do it. Come on. Look at Bryce. Look at Bryce. Oh, here comes the truck.
Okay, go.
Right there's the engines that move.
Here comes.
Where?
No, where?
Don't lie.
They're in a pen.
They're in a pit, Austin. If that'll make you feel